And this is a command to install freeradius. We have to install freeradius, and we have to install freeradius masquerade. So we have to connect the freeradius with a masquerade installed in your ubuntu server. I have installed the masquerade already, and this command will install freeradius. And the video on how to configure this freeradius, so you can use it to authenticate with your router, like microtic or pfSense file is created, and you can search in my YouTube channel. Thanks for watching.